Tanong lang po, what if all is okay except for one major non-negotiable? Oh, wow!
Para sa akin, kumbaga sa out of 100 sa examination, kung nag-aral tayong lahat, di ba? Ano yung percentage ng one major non-negotiable na yun? Is it 5 points lang ba? 10 points? Or 50 points? Kasi kung ang one major non-negotiable is 50 points, then you really have to consider that, di ba? Kung minsan kasi parang feeling mo, lahat check na, I will overlook na this one. Or hayaan ko na kasi baka magbago naman siya pa nag-asawa kami. So, if it's something na tingin mo, kaya mong i-embrace hanggang pagtandaan nyo, at hindi mo i-expect ang tao na magbago para sa'yo, then go for it.
Pag-pray mo
Pag-pray,
na
mabuti.
Kasi marami ng relationships, married already, yan ang naging problem nila. They enter the married life, hoping, praying, mabait naman sa Lord, magbabago ito. So if you're gonna enter, you know the non-negotiable na wala. If you can take that risk, and it's not gonna break you, yung family nyo sobra, no? Pag-pray mo siya na maigi. Pero kung feeling mo, papasukin mo lang dahil, baka, mali mo naman magbago.
Baka ito na lang talaga.
Do not enter into that relationship because you're hoping that person will change.
You can open up to your partner, boyfriend, girlfriend. Pwede mo i-open up, I've been praying about it. Ito yung list of my non-negotiables. Then, pwede mo i-open up sa kanya. Paano ba, how can I help you? How can we improve our relationship better? Or how can I help you to become a better person? Communication. Always communicate that.